Hey guys, and welcome back to my outfits of the week. I haven't done one of these in forever, and you guys have seemed to always want them to come back, so we're back. So these are just a casual outfits of the week for this week in my life, and this first outfit is like my mom running errands look. I'm obsessed with this outfit. I wear it probably once a week. I wear some of these outfits more than once a week. This one, this sweater I got a while ago. It was a Hunter collab with Target, but you could just wear like any black um, crew neck sweatshirt, and then I'm wearing the same accessories. I can't link any of them for you because obviously they're jewelry and things like that, but my watch is the Hermes version of the Apple Watch. I have just these gray sweatpants on. I'm obsessed with these. I just got them from Target. They're so fitted and nice. I'm wearing an extra small. I will link them down below. You need them in your life. And then I'm just throwing on a pair of checkered Vans, which these go with like every outfit. So that is outfit number one, my lazy girl outfit for running errands. This next outfit I actually wore on Thanksgiving, so I just threw my hair up in a top knot, and then I have this necklace on that my mom had. Yeah, it was my mom's, and I matching with my watch. I was so proud of myself. I love these Target shirts. I have them in like multiple different colors. This one's just orange and festive. I like the sleeve length. And then these pants I got a while ago. They're like the paper bag waist pants from Abercrombie. I got them a while ago. I don't think you can get them anymore, but if I can, I'll link them down below. And then just to make this outfit a little bit more casual, I threw on yet another pair of Vans. I love Vans. They're my favorite. This kind of got a frayed edge at the bottom of the jeans, so I just thought sneakers would make this cute. So this was my little like Thanksgiving outfit. It's kind of professional on the top and fun on the bottom. Yeah, anywho, next outfit. This is like my favorite epitome of like a cozy winter outfit. So I had curled my hair today. Woohoo, I was so proud of myself. Same accessories, and I will link everything down below that I can. This sweater I just recently picked up from Target. I was not going to keep it, but then I ended up loving it. I wore this for pictures with Santa when we took Arlo to the Dallas Arboretum. I love this thing. It's super chunky, and I'm kind of over the turtleneck look, so I'm glad that I got this crew neck. And then I just side tucked it into a pair of distressed high-rise mom jeans. Yeah, I love these. These are from Abercrombie. Again, I got them a while ago, so I don't think you can get them anymore, but there are so many similar styles, so I will link a similar style down below for you guys. But this I will probably wear, I don't know, for Christmas dinner or something. Not really, because those jeans are not stretchy. And then I just paired it off with some cheetah flats. These are super comfy, and they're from Target. Target has some of my favorite shoes. So yeah, that is one of my favorite outfits. I wear this like quite a bit. Love it. Okay, next outfit. I wanted to share with you guys, oh, I straightened my hair this day. It was probably dirty. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys these skirts that I mentioned in my video. So again, same accessories, just showing that off. I have this H&M sweater that is in like kind of like an extra large, I think. And then I actually tuck it underneath my bra instead of into my skirt. I know, I'm so amazed by that. But it helps with like, so you don't see like that puff in the front. So tip and trick. But these are the satin skirts that I showed in my favorites video from Nasty Gal. I love these. This was like a casual look that I would wear to work all the time, but I think it could be nice for a holiday party or just like holiday dinner or whatever. You could even throw it on with sneakers. I threw it on here with some like Target slides. They kind of look like Gucci, but they are not, for a little more dressy look. But you could always throw it on with sneakers for a more casual look. You could roll up the sleeves. You could throw it on with a leather jacket and a graphic tee. But I just really love these skirts. I think they're so versatile and really, really flattering. So I will leave this listed down below as well. I got it from Nasty Gal, and they always have really great sales. Okay, next outfit is the epitome of my mom outfit. I wear this all the time. I'm obsessed with, I can't figure out what I want to do with my hair. Again, same accessories like always, but this Madewell tee I own in every single color, and I've owned them for years. I own them in different sizes as well for different looks. This one specifically is the gray one, which I will link down below, but I have white, black, everything. They're amazing. Love the length of it. It's kind of like a curved hem, so I tuck the front in because it kind of is a little bit boxy, and then the back you can see is a little curved hem. And then these jeans are just like dark wash, ankle, super skinny high-rise from Abercrombie. Again, I bought them a while ago, and then this is real life because I'm not even wearing shoes because I'm not leaving my house this day. So that is my outfits of the week, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I will continue to film these if you want to see them. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye!